Hi, I'm Aggie, the skin therapist at Silesiana Clitoris, and today we welcome our beautiful model for Brightening Therapy by Juliette Armand. My model here has some blotches, blemishes, and skin discoloration, so we will be providing brightness and uniform color tone. Main action is brightening, uniform color, cellular stimulation, as well as hydration and rejuvenation. We'll start with step 1, which is cleansing system. The main goal of cleansing is to remove makeup and impurities from the skin. We'll cleanse the face, neck thoroughly with sensitive cleansing gel, followed by the cleansing tonic lotion for the skin, face and neck. Step number 2 is peeling system and skin stimulation. At this stage, we combine exfoliation by removing the dead cells of the epidermis with cellular stimulation and renewal. We apply Specialized for its brightening action peeling system in 3 stages. So stage 1 is the AHA smoothing cream based on lactic glycolic mandelic acid, pH 5, and it's in a cream form, so it won't irritate the skin. It will have that buffering effect on the skin. Stage 2 is exfoliating enzyme mask. We choose enzyme peeling in the delicate skin area around the eyes that offers exfoliating synergy without irritation. After that, stage number 3 is the glow peeling. Glow peeling is an amazing peel based on mandelic, phytic, ascorbic acid, Gallic, as well as lactic acid. It's pH 3.5. We apply it for 7 minutes and there is no need to remove with water as it's self-neutralizing. Step number 3. Brightening repairing system. This step aims at inhibiting the tyrosinase function for the formation of melanin and the repair of pigmentation problems and spots, following by 2 stages. Stage number 1 is the Glow C12% serum followed by folic acid B9 serum. We apply it on the dry skin without any traces of oiliness. We massage it gently and followed by the folic acid all over face, neck, and lightly massage until absorbed. Stage number 2 of brightening repair system is the white Argile mask. We apply the mask for about 15 minutes. We remove gently with damp wet flannels. Step number 4. Brightening active system. This step aims at balancing melanin production for the color tone uniformity, as well as preventing discoloration in 2 stages. Stage number 1, brightening serum. We apply it on the dry and without any traces of oiliness skin, 1 ml brightening serum over the face and neck, or we could ionize on the negative pole. Stage number 2 of brightening active system is brightening cream. We apply about 2 ml brightening cream, massaging gently until absorbed. Step 5. Sun protection. Optionally, we could apply 2 ml of Sunfil Face Gel SPF 30 or Sunfil Face Bliss SPF 50, depending on the skin type, the season, and the time of the session. Step number 6. Home daily regimen. In the morning time, we suggest to client to use Glow C12% serum alongside with brightening cream. At night time, our night routine will be AHA smoothing cream and brightening serum exclusively for about at least 2 months. Thank you for watching.